Okay.
It wouldn't surprise me one bit if they take a chance on trying to get a stolen base here.
How come she's not doing anything? Put it on her butt. Emily.
Have you ever had deja vu? The headphone jack is going to be on the bottom.
Come on.
Welcome back. Looks like Galaxy S3 didn't work out. No, I love the GS3.
Hi, Jacker.
You're bad.
Oh, she's sorry, Dad.
You're bad.
You guys have fun.
She's sorry. What'd she do?
She knows what she did.
Galaxy S3.
But I think this is the one for ants. I said,
Yeah.
Chili's $20 dinner for two has a bold new favorite, steak. First share an appetizer, then choose two entrees, like our 100% USDA choice sirloin. Available for a limited time on Chili's $20 dinner for two.
Watch her. Watch her, Pat.
There are only two ways to tell if a man will work where others would back out.
Feather, look at that feather right there. Right here, Jack.
Just look at the fire in his
I don't
eyes,
see it.
Look at her.
clothing on his back.
She got one in her mouth.
Quick Deck. A lightweight jacket built for heavyweight missions.
Americans believe they should
I'm hunting it. Make her do something funny.
For more than 116 years, Ameriprise Financial has worked for their clients.